So A is not an operator, therefore I will directly write A into the output. Then comes plus. Plus is an operator, I'll write plus here, A in the output. Then comes B, I will write plus here, A, B. Then comes star. Now here the rule applies here. If the incoming operator has greater precedence than the operator in the stack, here you can see star has greater precedence than plus, or multiplication has greater precedence than plus. Therefore we will push it into the stack. Plus star AB. Then comes C. C is not an operator, therefore plus star AB C. Now we have evaluated the whole expression. Therefore the only things that are left in the stack are operators. Therefore A, B, C, star. I'll pop star out and then I will pop plus out. Therefore stack is now empty, right? And this is the postfix conversion for our infix expression by using rule 1, where if the incoming operator has greater precedence than that of the operator in the stack, then we apply the rule that we have to push the incoming operator into the stack. Thank you for watching.